Hey guys, in this video I want to teach you why and how to set up your discount code for your Free+Shipping products. Technically, you could add a Free+Shipping product and make the price $0 from the start. Why go through the trouble of setting a higher price and then creating a discount code to make that higher price become zero? Doesn't that require more work of the customer? The reason I think discount codes are necessary for Free+Shipping product promotions is because you really want the customer to visually see and feel the amount of money they are saving. Because if they don't feel like they're saving a lot of money on this free promotion or this discount code, they're going to be less likely to purchase the product and pay the shipping cost of $8 or $9. That is why when I import a Free+Shipping product, I usually keep the price relatively high. Then I create a discount code, which I will, write in the Facebook ad, and then the customers will use that discount code to make that high price become zero. Then the customer feels really good that they just saved a bunch of money. So when they go to check out the product on your store and they see the shipping cost of $8 or $9, they're not going to care so much because they already felt like they saved a lot of money. I hope that makes sense. So that is why I recommend creating a discount code for a Free+Shipping campaign or strategy. But I did want to point out that you don't necessarily need a discount code. You can just make the product $0, but it really just depends on what you're trying to do. So for me, I generally use discount codes. So let's do a walkthrough. So you're going to click discounts on the left side here, which will bring you to this page, and you're going to click create discount. Make sure to choose discount code and not automatic discounts. So I'm going to click discount code. You can write really anything you want for the discount code itself, but generally I will create a discount code that resembles the promotion that I'm doing. So if it's Black Friday, then I might write Black Friday in my discount code. If it's for Christmas or holidays, I might write Christmas or holidays in my promotion, or whatever product I'm selling. So if I'm selling an iPhone case, I might write phone case 100 off or something. Let's just use that, phone case 100 off, or anniversary promo. Usually I write anniversary for a lot of my Free+Shipping ad campaigns because I think it's a good reason of why you would give away free products. It helps the customer understand why you're giving away a free product, so they're not cautious or curious of why. They may find it fishy if you don't give a reason to why you're giving away free products. So anniversary promo is the code I'm going with. You're gonna do percentage. You're gonna do 100% off, right? Because you want the product to be free after they use this discount code. And you're not gonna click entire order. You're gonna click specific products. This is very, very important. Or else they're gonna apply this discount code for all the products they bought, and they're going to get a bunch of free products, which you do not want. So I'm going to search for the product, right? If you remember, it was called iPhone Unicorn Case, I believe. So let's look for it, and there it is, right? I'm going to click it and all of its variances. I'm going to click add. So now this discount code only works for this specific product. They cannot use this 100% off discount code on your other retail products. Obviously, you don't want that. No minimum requirement. Customer eligible, everyone is eligible for this, obviously. No usage limits. They can use it as many times as they want. And then you can set a schedule if you want, or you can just kind of leave it as is. I just kind of leave them alone, so I don't really set an end date. Then you can click save. All right, so now if I go to my store and I click view my store, I'm going to pretend I'm a customer and I want to buy that product. So if I go click on catalog, if I just click here, it should show all of my products, retail products. So all these are retail products except this one product here, which is a Free+Shipping product. So I'm going to click view, and I'm going to say I look around, I like this one here. I choose the iPhone that I have. I have an iPhone, I have an iPhone 10. I'm gonna choose black because I like, or you can choose green. You can choose whatever color you want. And then I'm gonna choose a quantity of 1. I'm gonna click add to cart. All right. Now I'm gonna go my cart. I'm gonna check out. So right now, you should see that the shipping cost is $9, right? Because that is how I set up my shipping rates for Free+Shipping products. So what does it show? Oh, well, it doesn't show here, so I'm just going to write a random email here. Then I'm going to just exit out there. I'm going to write just Kevin, Princeton, 1, 2, 3, 4, Business Drive. I'm just going to make something up so we can get to the next page. All right, and then 9, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6. And here, this step, you're going to put in the discount code. So if I was a customer and I had the discount code, if I remember correctly, it was anniversary promo, right? If I apply that, and the reason the customer would already know the discount code is because you're going to put this discount code in the Facebook ad when you run the Facebook ad for this product. So I'm going to click apply. It's going to effectively make this product $0, all right, which is what you want because this is a Free+Shipping product. Then the customer is like, yes, I just saved $40 basically. Woohoo, that's great. Then they're going to go over to the shipping side, right? And then now they're going to see that the shipping is $9. And they're going to see the title that you put the shipping rate for. Insured shipping, estimated 3 to 4 weeks, $9 per free product. All right, so $0 for the product, $9 for shipping. The customer is very happy. They save $40, so they're like, what the heck? I'm just going to buy this. It's only $9 for shipping. Might as well. Generally, most stores have shipping costs anyways. I want to show you another example. What happens when someone buys 2 products? Technically, it should show $18, right? Because the way we set up our shipping, let me remind you, the way we set up our shipping is that for every 2 pounds, you're going to pay $18 for shipping, right? So if I choose 2 Free+Shipping products, which are 1 pound each, it should equal 2 pounds, which should fulfill this condition here, $18. So let's see if that happens. Let's go back to my store. So right now I've added a quantity of 2. I've clicked. What I'm also going to do is I'm going to add. Do I want to add it? No, that's right. That's all I'm going to do. So I'm going to go to my shopping cart. I'm going to click checkout. All right. And here you will see that the anniversary promo discount code applies to both products, right? A quantity of 2. It says 2 right here. Originally $79, but now they're paying $0. They just saved $79.99 or $79.90. So they basically saved like $80. But the shipping is $18, $9 times 2. And that is why, ladies and gentlemen, that you have to write out all of your shipping rates. Also, this is why I write $9 per free product in the title. If you're curious of why I write this phrase in the title of my shipping rate, it's because if you don't write that, the customer will see $18 and they'll be like, why is shipping $18? That seems expensive. Because generally when you buy from one website, if you buy multiple products, all those products go into the same shipping cost, right? But here they may see $18 and they say, why is that so expensive? But they'll see, if they read the title, they'll realize that it costs $9 per product, per free product or promotional product. You can change that word if you want. And it will make more sense to them. They're like, oh, okay, so it's $9 of shipping per free product. But I saved $80, so you know what the heck? I'm gonna continue to payment. I'm gonna pay for this. So that is, guys, is how you set up a discount code for a Free+Shipping product and why you set up a discount code. And I just showed you that, our shipping rates, our discount code, everything works out right here, through this example.